I love having the skin that I do because if I didn't have the skin that I have, would I look this good? I don't think so. I mean, maybe I would because I need but it wouldn't hit the same if I didn't have the skin that I have. My room has also been incredibly messy for the past like week, and I just can't bring myself to fix it or to clean it up. So we're just gonna leave the house like this, but when I come back, I'm gonna fix it, I promise. This is so strange, like literally vlogging like this with this little camera. I'm using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. They say that this is supposed to be so much easier. Um, Instead of holding a big clunky camera, low-key, I feel like it's the same because I'm still holding my hand out, bruh.
Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good, how are
Okay,
you?
what kind of drinks?
I'll just have water today.
Water?
Yes.
Okay. Lemon is okay?
Yes, lemon.
You want a regular?
Yes, I'll have the spicy yellowtail
Spicy yellow, okay?
and I'll have the ninja roll.
So you want some classics?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. That actually wasn't too bad. I'm hoping that it's gonna taste really good. This is my first time eating sushi from here. I didn't get anything to drink because we're focusing on studying today, but I'll still look at the drinks. Oh my gosh, the dragonberry twist sounds good. Maybe I should have gotten that. I love this so spicy yellowtail. Oh my gosh. Let me try the wasabi. Is this a lot? That might be a lot. Now the funny thing is, okay, tried a new restaurant, whoop-de-doo. The food wasn't great. I've had better sushi for sure. I had the special roll, and the special roll wasn't really special. And then on top of that, like the service was actually kind of really bad. Like I felt like I was being ignored low-key. Anyway, we're gonna go over to Barnes& and Noble now and get some schoolwork done because I have an assignment due tonight and I didn't know that it was due tonight. I woke up in the middle of the night with anxiety, like, oh my gosh, wait, when is this thing due? Good thing I woke up and realized that it's actually due today. Hey, so it's dark outside. I finally finished my assignment, but I also didn't get as much done as I wanted to get done. I feel like when I get home, I'll just do the rest of what I wanted to get done.